Welcome to South Dakota Department of Public Safety's online renewal service. In this video, we will walk you through the process of filling and submitting an online application. There are a few important things to know before we begin. First, this is a single-use site. Every user must have their own unique login. This means that all family members in one house cannot use the same email address. If you experience issues creating an account, please contact 605-773-3011. They are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time. Second, you begin by registering with the site. Doing so saves you time because your single login may be used for other state programs such as camping reservations, fishing licenses, and other permits. It is a great idea because you won't have to re-enter your information every time you apply for these programs and activities. Finally, you can save the progress of your application. If you need to step away from your computer during the application process, just click Save. You will need to re-verify your information when you come back to the site. If you are not eligible to renew online, your information will not come back up. We'd ask that you visit our website or call us during normal business hours at 605-773-6883. When you are ready to start the renewal process, click the Submit Application button. The first thing you will do is verify your application information displayed on the screen. The information will load automatically if you have used the site in the past. If your driver's license information is not preloaded, fill out the required information that you see on the screen. The site will then work through the verification process to make sure the information submitted matches the system. Once the information is verified, select what you want to renew under the Application Type drop-down menu. Click Next. Now you will verify your information and answer the 3 questions listed on the page. Please note, if you have experienced epileptic or narcoleptic episodes or other seizures, convulsions, or blackouts within the last 12 months, you will not be able to proceed with the online renewal process. Please schedule an appointment at your nearest driver's license exam station or contact us during normal business hours at 605-773-6883. Once you have verified your information, proceed to the next page. In step 3, you will be required to enter personal information like your name, height, weight, and residential address. Drivers with commercial licenses will need to identify what license class their vehicle falls under. Click Next when completed. The next set of questions are additional background information for your license. Click on the applicable answers from the drop-down menus. Click Next. Now you will upload your supporting documentation. You need 2 documents to prove your physical or residential address. These documents cannot be handwritten and they may not be over 1 year old. They must include your name. If you are an active duty military personnel or their dependent, you may use 2 documents showing your out-of-state residential address. Overseas APO, FPO addresses are accepted. Those who are full-time travelers will need to supply a residency affidavit and a perjury statement along with proof of 1 night stay in the state of South Dakota to the documents mentioned. If you are 65 years of age or older, you will need to submit a vision statement on a driver's license vision statement form. The vision statement must include your eye scores within the last year. Please note that if you wear bioptic lenses, you have to renew your license in person. All forms and a list of accepted documentation can be found on driver's licensing's webpage on the DPS website. Once you have loaded your supporting documentation, proceed to the next step. This page allows you to update your voter registration information. If you choose not to update your information, click the check box here. The questions below the box will disappear and you can move on to the next page. If you want to update your registration information, answer the questions listed and click Next. Now, electronically agree the information you entered is correct and you want to proceed with submitting the online renewal application. You must select Yes to continue. If you do not agree, please make an appointment at a nearby driver exam station. Finally, please enter your payment information and click Submit. If anything is entered inaccurately, an error message will appear. You're done. We will review your application and send your license within 3 to 4 weeks. If you have mailed your supporting documentation instead of uploading them electronically, the process will take a little bit longer as we wait to receive those documents. If you would like additional information about the online renewal process, please visit the driver's licensing page on the DPS website.